So, afternoon everybody, and welcome to the new channel presented by me, the Pound Shop Peaky Blinder. Just saying that because of the accent. So, reason for starting this channel really was because it was suggested by friends, as I do a lot of car projects, a lot of repairs for other people, and they think I'm weird because of my obsession with cars. Main thing I'll be talking about is my latest car project, which I bought because it had been in a crash. Other people think I'm crazy for trying to rebuild it, but I'm going to try, and it's a one-off, so in my books it needs saving. You may disagree, but keep watching and we'll find out if they were right and I'm stupid, or if I can work miracles. Right, so you've seen the rest of the car and how damaged that is. This is the front bumper, or should I call it the jigsaw puzzle. Now, I've had a look through it so far, and believe it or not, I think I can repair it. See, I've already started down there. There's a piece of wood just behind there with some screws in, holding that together. I'll do the same along there. That'll be easy to do. Then I think that goes on there, or it might go on there, and vice versa. No, that one definitely goes there. Yeah, that one there, that one there. So we can screw them on with some timber as well, grind it all back smooth, and then get some matting front and back. Not sure about this bit yet. And then, ta-da, the front, which, if I'm right in thinking, should be another case of a piece of timber, screw it on. Then obviously with all of these, if my theory is right, once it's screwed together and I've got some matting on the front, I can take the screws out, get rid of the timber, then glass it all from the rear, as well as the normal strand matting. I'm going to use some roving woven to add some more strength to it, so if someone does smack it again, at least it'll stand up to a bit more of a hit. Right, so here is the car in, not person, but in car. Let's have a look around and show you the damage. It's not too bad really. I mean, it was hit by a van being chased by the police. As you can see, no damage down the sides. That's just where there was a tarpaulin on it which has worn the rain away. This is where it gets problematic, but not too problematic. Rear bumper got smashed. As well as that, we've got the obvious cracking around here and here, some down here and along the bottom, because the bumper mounts on here, as you can see, that's all gone, so that'll have to be ground out. But the thing that's the main problem, it looks like it's okay, but if I press that, it flexes, and I'll show you why in a minute. But then come down this side again, no damage apart from paint's worn away, but brace yourselves. Where's the front end gone? Yep, as you can see, this is the hit. Now, I've been messing already. If we look down in this corner, that is all held up by vices and stuff at the moment, but all inside there, hopefully you can see, has split away. So my theory is cut it out, sand it all back. I'll get rid of all the gel coat here as well. This is hollow, so I'll put resin in, run a few bolts through with plates. That's purely while the resin sets, and take those off. I'll mat here and I'll mat on the inside. Then all of this is broken, just held on by zip ties. Got some metal bar which I'll be putting some POR 15 on, or POR 15. Then I'll glass all that together. Then, as you saw, I got the front, which got to be cobbled together. The big decision I've got at the front here where the headlights go, is am I going to go for MR2 flip up lights, or I have got some Smart Roadster lights, so I could dismantle those, give them a twin headlamp look.